Okay, hi Annie.
Hi.
What is the bad guy's name on Phineas and Ferb?
Doofenshmirtz.
Say it again.
Doofenshmirtz.
Doof and Schmert.
Doofenshmirtz.
Say it again.
Doofenshmirtz.
Now say gift certificate.
Gift certificate.
JJ, say gift certificate.
Gift certificate.
Say gift certificate.
Me! Gift certificate.
Say Doofenshmirtz.
Doofenshmirtz. Me too!
Okay, say Doofenshmirtz.
Doofenshmirtz.
He says it's the best out of all of them. Say gift certificate.
Gift certificate.
How about Tyson?
Say gift certificate.
Gift certificate.
Tyson, say gift certificate. Say gift certificate.
Tyson said gift.
Say
Doofenshmirtz.
Yeah, uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
good job.